United States President Donald Trump on Thursday made light of climate change as an Arctic chill settled on much of the central and northeastern US and Canada, forcing people indoors, stranding motorists with dead car batteries, and complicating firefighting duties. In the US, the National Weather Service says dangerously cold temperatures and wind chills were pummeling much of the central and eastern part of the country. Trump tweeted, "In the east, it could be the coldest New Year's Eve on record. Perhaps you could use a little bit of that good old global warming that our country, but not other countries, was going to pay trillions of dollars to protect against. Bundle up." Trump's tweet quickly drew flack from many exasperated users who hit him for using cold weather to mock the science behind climate change. Representative Pramila Jayapal of Washington State tweeted saying, "Weather is not the same as climate. The president should be able to understand that. It isn't hard." John Foley, Executive Director of the California Academy of Sciences, wrote, "Believe it or not, global climate change is very real, even if it's cold outside Trump Tower right now."